Right, James, 58 in the paper one in November. Let's see whether you've managed to hold on to that knowledge or whether it's all drained away. Good start. Right, this question you haven't answered completely. In its simplest form, 16 out of 30 is correct, but because you can divide both of those numbers by 2 to get 8 out of 15, that is its simplest form, not that. So you're only going to get 1 out of the 2 marks there. Rectangle is correct, pentagon is correct, but rhombus is wrong. A rhombus is a square that's been pushed to one side like that. This is a trapezium. Total for the page 468. Okay, so you've totaled up fine. Frequency mark is good. So the only problem with your graph is that because it's a bar graph, these numbers need to be in the middle of the columns, not on the end of the columns where you've marked them. So you're going to lose 1 mark for having those in the wrong position. 250 and 45 are correct, giving you a total of 7 marks for that page. Your diagram is good. Your fractions are right. 25% is 125. And what you need to do as well is to work out what 1/5 of 500 is, which you're trying to do there. But basically it's just 500 divided by 5, which is 100, and then you can make your comparison. So you're trying to do the right thing, but you're not quite there. 0.5 isn't 5%, it's 50%. 0.5 is a half. That one's right. And then for your answers, your incorrect answers, that order is right. So you get that. 72 pence times 4 is not £2.96. When you take £2.96 away from £10, you get £7.04, so that's wrong as well. So both parts of that are wrong. 2, 4, 7 for that page. 5 foot is reasonable for the height of the car, although you're better off working in metric units. But then what you've then done is not right. What I'm looking for you to do there is to see that height, how many times stacked on top of each other will fit into the size of the house, and then multiply that by your 5. So your method is not good there. The range is right. All you need to do to find the median is write that list again in order. Okay, it's not divided by 9, that's the mean. The median, you write that list in order of size and then find the middle. R, P and Q are good. 3, 4, 5 for the page. 12 is right. 12 times 15 is not 174. I'm trying to do the right thing. But your multiplying is wrong. Here 31 is not right. And I can't see what you've done. It is 90 degrees. You need to add those together and take it away from 180. I can't see 180 anywhere there, so you're not going to get the marks. 134 is right. 134 divided by 2 is the right method, but that comes to 67. For what you've done, actually, that is correct. So you're going to get 1 mark, 2 marks, sorry, for your method, but you made a mistake there, so you're going to lose a mark. 2, 3, 4, 6 for the page. 120 is correct. Be careful what you've written there. That looks like 12 degrees, not 120. Reflection is good. Okay, so your method here, 3, 7, 2, 34, 6, 8, 21, 28, 9, 12. That is correct. And all you've done wrong here is those two are in the wrong order for some reason. It's 8, then it's 14. So your method has just gone wrong at the end there. That should be 1, 2. So be careful with that. Make sure that you can work out what you've done wrong there. That's wrong. You don't move the decimal point. And that's wrong as well. Take a look how I've done that on the video clip. That's the wrong method for working that out. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. And then you work out what 8 times 9 is. And I'll go through that in class because nobody's got that right. So 4, 6 for that page. 39 isn't a prime number because 3 divides into it. 15 isn't a cube number. It isn't a multiple of 3. A cube number is a number you get if you take, like, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, so 1 is a cube number. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, so 8 is a cube number. And 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, so 27 is a cube number. That's right, well done. Let's have a look here. So 3, 6, 9, that side's right, that side's right. 3, 6, that side is wrong there. Should only go as far as there and down. So you've got 1 out of 2 there. Pie chart you haven't been able to have a go at. Again, we will go over those in weeks to come. No, that's not the issue there. The issue there is that those two add up to give a number greater than 1, and probability can't be bigger than 1. So nothing on that page. X is 3, well done. And for this one, no, you've got in a mess there. You need to practice expanding brackets in order to do that. Again, that's something we will have a go at. We will be practicing before over the next few weeks. So the area of the circle bit is 314. You've then got to work out the area of the rest and take it away. So 2 out of 6 for working that out. You know it was on the board. And with this one, you wouldn't round that to 602, you'd round it to 600. And then that would make life much easier. Alright then, James, so what did I say? You got 58 in November. Let's see how you've done this time. 8, 15, 22, 27, 33, 39, 41, 45, 45. So you slipped a bit. Slipped quite a lot actually. 45 is a grade E. You're 5 marks off a D. You're 20 marks off a grade C. Okay, so there's work that you need to do. Don't worry about it. We've got plenty of time in order to get back those 20 marks. And if you go through that paper, I'm sure there'll be lots of things. Oh yeah, of course I can do that. Oh, I remember that now. And that's what we need to do, is get you remembering.